I'm really hoping that the title of this video is something to do with Rebound or Redemption or something, because I don't know how many more of these bad boxes I could get from Sole Supremacy. They've been really good usually, but lately, man, just really, really bad. I don't think I've ever done that before, but that's just from being super tired, so... Hello! Thanks for taking the time out of your day to visit this here YouTube channel and check out this here beater box video. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now if you feel like it. And then also, if you feel like it, underneath that is my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. That's where you can find all the shoes that we're pulling out of this box here today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, unless someone on GOAT gets to them first, which happens pretty frequently, so I can't control that. I mean, I technically could, but whatever. I'm lazy. Hi, pals! Hey, this is a beater box. Like I said, this box is from Sole Supremacy. Boxes from Sole Supremacy have been either really good or really bad. The last one we got was really bad. For the amount of good boxes I've had versus how many bad boxes I've had, I'm okay with it. So this box was $1,175 plus $40 to ship it here to the second city, Chicago, Illinois. It was crystal clear to my brothers Matt and Bill, my new cousin Tom, and myself that both Bernice and Tom wanted to bury the hatchet instead of holding an unnecessary grudge, much like the one brought on by the actions of Chicago Cubs fan Steve Bartman. The sheer talent for meats that both of these people possess could probably make this rinky-dink Italian beef stand a juggernaut in the greater Chicagoland area. Bernice looked at her brother all wide-eyed and said, "Hey Tom, I've got an idea that I think could be real good." We're nearing the end. How much oh wait. Yeah, so that makes this a grand total of $1,215, is that right? Ah, math, whatever. These boxes are usually priced under market, so there's a pretty good chance to make some money off of them. So go ahead and follow along with Clarence, that's the counter's name, because I do that. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on data collected from GOAT, eBay, all that kind of stuff. And then we're gonna break down the entire box to show you how much I paid versus how much the box is actually worth. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So this one here is open. Ugh, I think, no, my knife sucks. Do it, there we go. There's a big Nike SB box right on top. Okay, so there are loose shoes. There's 3 pairs of loose shoes. So this first one is the LeBron 17, actually. This is a size 10.5. This is the LeBron 17 I Promise, in honor of the I Promise school that he opened up in his hometown of Akron, Ohio. Now the shoes themselves, apparently LeBron's 15, 16, 17s are all really, really good performance basketball shoes. Pretty good condition, a little bit of outsole wear. So these will clean up really nicely. Size 10.5, LeBron 17, I Promise. Probably not a lot of value, but it's just a very cool story behind it. So we got another LeBron in here. This one is worn pretty significantly. It's a LeBron 16. I think this is like one of the very first LeBron 16s that came out. It's just a black LeBron 16 with a gum outsole. It's probably a size 10.5 again too. No, this is a size 10, not a 10.5. Full knit upper, again, performance basketball, but there's a lot of outsole wear, so these will clean up. You could maybe use them for hoop shoes. I'll definitely price them cheaper just because I don't want to be holding on to stuff like this. So there you go. Size 10, LeBron, 16, 7-ish out of 10 condition. There's a lot of outsole wear and heel drag, so. And we got one more. It's a Jordan 2, but this is probably the most iconic Jordan 2 in my opinion. It's a size 8. This is the infrared Jordan 2. This is a very, very cool colorway in my opinion. I just really like how it's blocked. I think 2s are very underrated. A lot of people don't like 2s and it just gets a bad rep that doesn't really deserve it. So now this shoe in particular, super lightly worn, just a little bit of outsole dirt, a little bit of creasing on top. Very cool looking shoe, size 8. Jordan 2 infrared, Jordan 2 infrared 2. Stop it, you. Okay, shoes with boxes. I see an Adidas box, we're getting that out of the way right away. Size 8.5 NMDR1 Prime Knit. This is one of those shoes that was worth, I hate using this term, but Boku bucks for a really long time, and then just kind of died in value over a couple months. This is the French Beige NMDR1. It's just a very kind of muted kind of colorway that if you're into matching or coordinating your outfit, it'll fit with a lot of stuff. There is some heel drag. It's got the original box. It's a size 8.5, and they're in really good shape. These will clean up really nicely. So probably, I mean, these were at one time worth like $250. These are gotta be under $100 by now, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't really know. I don't pay attention to Adidas. French Beige NMDR1s. I know you guys can't see it, but this box feels a lot better than the other ones already. So got a Nike Dunk High Premium DLS SB Quick Strike in a size 7. I know what it is because DLS is on there. This is a very lightly worn pair of the De La Soul Nike Dunk High SB. This is a take on the original De La Soul low that came out in like 2004-ish. Size 7, I don't really know what the market is like for small size SBs, because I know a lot of SB dudes are at least size 10.5 or higher. So there you go, size 7. Very lightly worn, De La Soul Dunk High SB. Very cool. Let's get this Jordan there out of the way. This is a Jordan 3, it looks like. This is not a Jordan 3, this is a Jordan 6. It is still a size 9. These are super lightly worn. This is the UNC Jordan 6. This is a very nice colorway. I don't mind this at all. It's got super low pile suede on the upper, this Carolina blue with the clearish outsole. It's a little bit dirty and a little bit discolored. These are from like 2016 or 17, so these are relatively new. Yeah, 2017 replacement box. It's got the lace locks and everything. It's even got the shoe trees inside of here. So size 9, great condition, replacement box, UNC 6s. Very cool. Grab this. We got a red Nike box. Good thing I grabbed this. It's a size 10 Nike Flyknit Roshi Run. It's a dead stock pair at least, so that's cool. There you go. It's a Flyknit Roshi Run. I don't know what this colorway is called. It says black, armory blue. I don't know. No wear on the bottoms. I mean, it's a running shoe. It's super lightweight. There you go. Size 10 dead stock pair of Roshi Run Flyknits. Let's grab this. Ooh, we got a size 10.5 Air Max 95/Supreme. So this is the Air Max 98 Supreme in the black colorway. They came out with 3 colorways, I think. One of them was like snakeskin looking, and there was another one that was a different color. There is some Supreme branding right there by the toe box. See, the heel says world famous on there. I can't see my viewfinder, so it might not be coming out. The shoes themselves are in pretty good shape, like 8-ish out of 10. No paint stuff going on, a little bit of drag on the outsole. Really, really great shape. And it's a triple black colorway, so it's gonna be really easy to move. So size 10.5, Supreme Nike Air Max 98s. We got a size 9, if I can hold on to the box and not knock over my lights. Size 9, the 10 Nike Air Max Flyknit. So this is the second wave of Vapor Max that released in collaboration with Virgil Abloh's Off-White brand. This is the all-black Vapor Max 2.0 Off-White collaboration. It's in pretty decent shape. There's a little bit of outsole discoloration and a little bit of discoloration on top. But I do not see the hang tag anywhere, which is totally fine. You can just go to Home Depot and buy a new one if you really, really want to. But these are in great shape. Just a little bit of discoloration like many Off-Whites have. So size 9 is a great size. I mean, look at that. The insole hardly anywhere, which is very, very cool. There you go. Great shape. Size 9. Off-White Vapor Maxes 2.0, whatever you call them. Nice. We got one more in here. It's a Nike Air Max 1 Premium Quick Strike in a 10.5. I see the colorway. I think I know what this is. I'm really excited because this is a personal favorite of mine. Dude! These are pretty worn though. These need some definite cleanup, which will definitely happen. Ooh, okay, but this is the retro of the Air Max 1 Safari. The original had a gum outsole. This has a clear outsole. This is very, very, I mean, it's a retro, but there's a lot of differences. These are in pretty dirty shape. I'm gonna go to town on these with Reshoevn8r. Remember to use my code SBMitch10 to save yourself 10% on Reshoevn8r products. So these will clean up really nicely, I hope. And then I will put them on my feet and see if I can wear a 10.5, but no promises. But yeah, these are overall great shape, just a little bit dirty. A couple of the nipples on the outsole are missing. These were going for like 500-ish. They took a dive over the past month. I don't know why. Nike SB is releasing a Dunk Low in this colorway during Air Max month next year, so that'll be interesting to see. I'm a huge fan of this shoe. Man, I thought I was gonna kick myself for holding a Nike Red box to the last one, but boy am I not. There you go, size 10.5. Air Max 1 Safari Retro from 2016. Woo, this is a much better box than the last one. I'm a big fan, and I'm also super biased because of that last shoe, but let's go through it and give it a grade. So I do this report card thing. It's really only for me to like sit down and look at what's inside, like what I got in this box. I don't look this stuff up until afterwards, but it gives me a chance to kind of reflect. So 3 categories to get that grade: condition, sizes, and value. Let's do condition first. There are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 pairs of sneakers in this $1,175 Sole Supremacy beater box. 1 pair is dead stock, 1 has a replacement box, and 3 have no box. Condition's kinda okay. We'll say about a B-. Sizes. Sizes are actually pretty good. 10.5, 10, 8, 8.5, 9, 7, 10, 10.5, 9, and 10.5. Sizes are good. We'll give it an A-. Value on this box. This is a $1,175 Sole Supremacy beater box. I think the Air Max 98, the Air Max 1, and the Vapor Max will cover that entire box. Maybe. I don't really know. I think the return on this box is gonna be between $400 and $600. So taking that into account, it's good value. So value on this box, we'll give it an A-. So with the grade of B- for condition, the grade of A- for sizes, and the grade of A- for value, this $1,175 Boxo shoes from Sole Supremacy gets a letter grade of, let's say, B+. Wow. Yeah. So this box feels a lot better than the last one, but hey, let's look at the money stuff. The numbers, let's do that.
Big down!
Again, I don't look this stuff up until after the video is recorded, so hopefully I wasn't blowing steam. I think this is a really good box. I knew I could count on you, Sole Supremacy. I mean, that's why I keep ordering boxes, even if we get a couple bad boxes in a row. So, thanks again for watching. If you're interested in any of these shoes, they will be available on my website at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. RansomNoteSneakers.com is where you can find it. I recently did a collection video. You can check that out here if you really want to. That's basically all I got for you. So the next box will be from Direct Kicks. It is $1,250. I'm interested to see how that is. It's actually unopened over here, so it'll eventually get opened. So that'll be cool. And then more fun stuff. So thanks again for taking the time. I appreciate it. Till next time, take care of each other. And remember, they're just shoes. Chill, bud. All right, bye.